Hey there, future physicists. Today I'm unlocking the secrets of unit conversions in physics. Stick around and let's make this simple. First up, let's talk about the three major systems of units: CGS, MKS, and FPS. CGS stands for centimeter gram second, MKS is meter kilogram second, and FPS is foot pound second. These systems help us measure length, mass, and time. For example, to convert centimeters to meters, divide by 100. Easy, right? How about converting grams to kilograms? Just divide by 1,000. Next, let's zoom out to astronomical units. One astronomical unit is the distance from the Earth to the Sun, about 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers. It's huge. Now let's talk about pressure. We measure pressure in pascals. 1 pascal is 1 Newton per square meter. For everyday stuff, we often use kilopascals. Just multiply pascals by 1,000 to get kilopascals. And now to the world of angles. We measure angles in radians, degrees, minutes, and seconds. 1 radian is about 57.3 degrees. To convert radians to degrees, multiply by 180 over pi. For finer measurements, remember that 1 degree equals 60 minutes and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Let's summarize. For CGS to MKS conversions, remember those powers of 10. Astronomical units help us grasp cosmic distances. Pascals measure pressure and radians give us angle accuracy. Got it? Awesome. Keep practicing these conversions and soon, physics will be a piece of cake. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more physics tips. Catch you next time, and